And that's our vehicle there. We're actually gonna sit up for our camp tonight. This year she's getting hungry, poor girl. She's getting very hungry. And here's our bait. This one's here. We can actually have it for dinner in the Philippines. And see what we've done to this? That's our bait. Bait for the fish that we haven't even got yet. And here's my other half there. And here's the sunset. Look at the sunset. Woohoo! And later on, we're going to have to cook our dinner. This is our stove. The stove here. And we're going to set up our bed. That's our bed up there. We're going to pull everything out, put that mattress up there to here, and that would be our bed, man Glenn. And Yin Yin's bed would be that one there at the back. She's got a swag, and she'll set it up later on as well. The sunset is just so beautiful. It's just so lovely. And this is what it's like. There's some people out there fishing. The other side, there's a couple in there as well, but I'm not sure if they're actually staying overnight, but it's lovely to stay overnight. And I guess we'll talk to you a bit later on. And I'll show you what fish we're catching at the moment. That's the one over here. I think that's actually herring and I don't know, I think it's actually whiting, I think. And apparently it's high tide. So high tide at the moment. There's the sunset. I think the others are going now. So one guy is actually going. The other one just coming in. So